In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an out-of-office event in Google Calendar. Whether you're planning a vacation, attending a conference, or simply need to block off some time, setting up an out-of-office event can be incredibly useful to communicate your unavailability to colleagues and contacts without the hassle of having to individually inform everyone. We'll walk through the process in manageable steps and provide helpful tips along the way to ensure your calendar correctly reflects your absence. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and access Google Calendar. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log into your Google account. Once you're in your calendar view, look for the plus icon or the blue Create button on the left sidebar. Clicking this will allow you to begin setting up a new event. Once you've done that, you'll see a drop-down menu. From there, select Event. This is where you're going to start defining the specifics of your time away. At this point, it's a good idea to title the event Out of Office. This is important because it explicitly indicates to everyone who looks at your schedule that you are unavailable during this time. The clearer your title is, the less room there is for misunderstandings. Next, you'll want to set the date and time range for your out-of-office period. This is crucial as it specifies exactly when you are unavailable. Do be careful when selecting the start and end dates to ensure they accurately represent the entirety of your absence. If you'll be out multiple days, make sure to adjust for that so that your calendar reflects every day you're away. For the next step, navigate to the More Options section, usually located at the bottom of the event window. It's important here to set your status to busy. By doing this, anyone checking your calendar will see that you're marked as unavailable, preventing unwanted meetings or appointments from being scheduled during this time. Optionally, you might want to add a note in the event details such as, "I'll be back on Monday." This can provide additional context to those who view your calendar, letting them know when to expect you back. Personal touches like these are particularly helpful if you collaborate closely with others and want to keep everyone informed about your return. Finally, once you've double-checked all the details and are satisfied, click Save. This will ensure your out-of-office event is added to your calendar. Now, anyone with access to your calendar can see that you're unavailable, effectively communicating your absence and preventing unnecessary disruptions. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully blocked out your time and notified others of your unavailability in Google Calendar. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and be sure to join us next time for more quick and easy tech tips.